grew up on a farm, and that's kind of all I knew growing up, and I knew from a young age that I wanted to farm, and yeah, I love everything about it. My collard field, the main products we grow for Schnucks: collard greens, mustard greens, turnip greens, green kale, bunch beets, cilantro, plain parsley, curly parsley. So it's quite a line of items. There's no doubt that Illinois has some of the best land in the world. Just the rich mineral soil. In some areas it's 3-4 feet deep. That plant's growing in the soil. It's bringing up all those nutrients. Just makes sense, For one thing, it's fresher. We have a product that's harvested and delivered within hours. Shipping it from California, you're 3,000 miles away, and I'm 50 miles away. It tastes better too. I think just the freshness, and then on top of that, just supporting the local business and your community is important. Beautiful fresh cilantro, cut today, delivered tomorrow.
By Schnucks Local, powered by Food Shed. Just look for the green stickers and the Food Shed brand. Yum!